Okay, sorry guys about that. Okay, I remember on our last tutorial we talked about uh, some paragraph editing features. I'm going to show you how to change our background image, and then after that I'm going to show you some few editing features. Okay, that is our browser now. So let's begin now. Okay, without forgetting, my name is King Diego. As you see the time, this is my sleeping time. Always I used to sleep on this hour, so it's not a big deal, but I'm gonna do this for you guys now. Let's do this. Our previous code was exactly like this. If I run this code, run Mozilla here, it will appear like this. You remember in our previous tutorial it was exactly the way it is. I changed nothing, but now we want to change this background to be your background image, to be an image, not just to be a plain color or something like that. Now where we change the color is, we remember where we change this color is was on the tag body. Now this is where exactly what we are going to do the changes. Okay, I will remove everything and then we begin afresh by just typing background. Okay, background equal to open your speech marks, and then okay, like that. Do you know why I put this speech marks? Is what I'm going to put the location of my image. If I put the location of my image or the path where my image is being located, now my image, I will just pick an image randomly from my files. Like this one is an image which I snapshot from a VLC player. Now I'm going just to drag this to my browser. If I put there, you realize that this is what we call the path, file path. Now what I need here is only this file path, then I will copy this file path. Okay, remember this is the simplest way I'm showing you guys on how to make this beautiful photo to be a background of your image. Now I'm going to copy the path, just right click, copy, and then let me close that. Then back to our, you remember this, what we said about this in between the speech marks. If I paste this the file path of that image, now it means that my image is in local disk F, and it is in a folder called my web coding. Okay, now if I save this work and then compile this, what we will see is exactly like that, as simple as that. I know guys, you wonder what is not happening, why is it that? No, it is as easy as that. What you do is only just copy the image and then drag to your browser, to your blank browser, and then after doing that, just to copy the path of that image, and then if you copy the path, now come and paste in between that opening speech marks. It is as easy as that. Another thing also I'm going to show you guys is how to change the, you remember after running our code, we see that kind of our background color is somehow color clash with our image. Okay, now we are going to change the font color. The font color is just say font color, then you finish. Okay, now what I was to show you guys was about writing something known as a block quote. A block quote is like indentation. It's like indenting a paragraph. Now I will remove this image for now, but for your own purpose you can review it later by just rewinding at this video that I will be preparing for you. Now if I save this and run again, you will see that my image will disappear because I have not put my file path here. Now I'm going to show you guys something known as the block quote. Now the block quote is a type also of editing features. The block quote also is a type of editing feature for a long quotation. I remember if you are writing a speech of somebody from internet or something like that, you have to put something like let me break this line. Then when we save and run this, we will see that we have another new line from that point. Okay, now from this point I have break this, which means that we have two paragraphs, the first and the second paragraph. Now assuming that from here where we have written we deliver we deliver on that commitment by whatever and then till to the end, assuming this was the speech of somebody, and then you want to make it as a block. Okay, a block is somehow something like indentation in Microsoft Word, but we're gonna see the output and then we're gonna know which kind of indentation is familiar or just okay. Now block quote, you just write it's simple, just write block just like that and then write quote, then write quote just like that, and then remember when you open you must close. Now let me close our block quote from here, then block quote. Okay, now if I save this was what we are doing. Then I want our block quote to be just within that point to this point, then we shall see the effects on this paragraph that we have here. Now if I save this and run our program, what we are going to see as output is this is a kind of like indentation. Yeah, it's like first line indent, if you remember about those formatting features in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. Yeah, now this is kind of what we call block block quote. Otherwise guys, that is all for today. We shall see you in our next tutorial.